everyone, welcome to my channel I Indupuri's Innovations. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a greeting card. If you haven't gone through any of our videos in our channel, please do watch, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting the notifications. For preparing this, we need pink sheets of 6 x 6 cm, yellow sheets of 5 x 5 cm and rectangular sheet of 25 x 6 cm. Now we have to attach pink sheet and yellow sheet. Like this, do for all. Now take the rectangular sheet and mark the size of the card. And at every 1 cm, draw a line. Now fold the sheets where the lines are drawn. Now attach the cards as shown here. Now take a rectangular sheet and attach on that with the help of a glue. Now mark a triangular shape and cut it. Now write your matter. Now draw an arrow mark and write pull. Here is the final look of our card. Thank you for watching my video.